Hello everyone. Let us start today's session with the variables and vectors in MATLAB. As we know that every language requires the variables to store the values and to store the result of operation into the variables. Unlike our C language, the variables in MATLAB doesn't require any data type. Here also we need some set of rules to define the variable names, that are, it must start with a letter, it may contain only letters, digits and the underscore. MATLAB is a case sensitive, so small letters ONE and capital ONE are two different variables. Variable names can be of any length. However, MATLAB uses only first n characters where n is given by the function namelength max. In MATLAB environment, every variable is an array or matrix. We can assign variables in simple ways with the help of assignment operator. Now here are some examples. The variable can be assigned with a number with the help of assignment operator. Similarly, a variable can be assigned with a valid expression with the help of assignment operator. Now let us consider the examples. Tutorial is equal to 1234 semicolon. As this statement terminates with semicolon, it doesn't show the variable value on the command window. But if I write tutorial is equal to 1234, the tutorial is equal to 1234. This is the output. Suppose I write x is equal to 3. It creates a 1 by 1 matrix named x and stores the value 3 in its elements. Generally, we use the variables for storing the values as well as to store the result of processing. But if we don't assign any variable to return the value of a result, then MATLAB uses a special variable ANS to hold the answer. So here are some special variables and constant. ANS, the most recent answer. EPS, accuracy of floating point precision. IJ, the imaginary unit under root minus 1. INF, infinity. NAN, undefined numerical result. It's not a number. PI, the number pi. Let's go ahead. Suppose we forgot the variables used in the program. Then what to do? Here, WHOS is the command which displays all the variables names which we have used. So, WHOS command displays little more about the variables, that is, variables currently in a memory, type of each variables, memory allocated to each variable, whether they are complex variables or not. Let us go ahead. Let us see the vector. What is vector? A vector is a one-dimensional array of numbers. It is categorized as row vector and column vector. Let us see how to create row vector and column vector in MATLAB. Row vectors are created by enclosing the set of elements in square brackets using space or comma to delimit the elements. See the example. Row vec is equal to square bracket 12, 14, 63 square bracket closed. So this is a row vector created with the elements 12, 14, 63 separated by comma. Similarly, a column vector can be created in MATLAB by enclosing the set of elements in square brackets using semicolon to delimit the elements. Take an example, callback 13 semicolon 45 semicolon minus 2. It creates a column vector with the elements 13, 45 minus 2. Now please note the column vectors are used with the help of semicolons. Now it's time to see some operations with the vectors like addition and subtraction of vectors, scalar multiplication of vectors, transpose of a vector, appending vectors, magnitude of a vector, vector dot product, and vectors with uniformly spaced elements. Now all these operations we will see in detail in the next video. Thank you.